Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Staying with schoolboy football on Wednesday, title holders Jamaica College kept a clean sheet as they got the better of Spanish Town High 3-0 in the urban area ISSA Manning Cup at the Spanish Town Prison Oval. It took JC 51 minutes to get their opener, which came from Dylan John. With the deadlock broken, Alexander Graver got into the act to send a JC further ahead as he made it 2-0 in the 70th minute of play. The win was completed in time added on when Jamoy Dennis added a third to leave Spanish Town High winless.
If you look at the opponent, I think in the first half we never interpreted what they were trying to do very well. But I think once we started to really interpret what they were doing and we started to play our game and try to find the spaces where the spaces were, I think the game was really a game that we controlled.
Meanwhile, Excelsior made it 3 from 3 after hammering Cedar Grove Academy 7-1 thanks to a three-timer from Richard Andrews. Excelsior were 2-0 up after 14 minutes, courtesy of Stephen Bailey and Andrews. Andrews was on the double in minute 35. Kashawn Blake pulled one back for Cedar Grove in the 44th minute, but Orain Strawn with a double and Nathaniel Watson propelled Excelsior to a 6-1 advantage. Andrews completed his three-timer in minute 85. It was Cedar Grove's second loss from 2 matches, with their game against Bridgeport High still to be completed after being halted after 52 minutes due to rain.
The amount of goals that we scored, even though we thought that we could have scored more goals. Nonetheless, I thought we lapsed in concentration in giving up the first goal in the first half. Nonetheless, I also believe that we control the game, and that was one of the objectives coming out in the game, for us to control the game as much as possible. And based on that, we got 7 goals and we are very elated about it.
In other games, Kingston College beat Camperdown 2-0 for their second victory of the season, while Calabar defeated Charlie Smith 3-0 at the Tony Spalding Sports Complex. Elsewhere, Dwight Gentles scored 4 times to carry his tally of goals to 11 as St. Catherine High blanked Edith Dalton 7-0. Kylan Smith scored a hat-trick in Hydale's 10-0 win over Penwood. Innswood beat Holy Trinity 2-0. Bridgeport got by Clancarty 2-1. Meadowbrook outscored Cumberland 3-2, while Mona High overpowered St. Mary's College 9-1.